Good evening to Madam Ashikin and all my friends. This is our LEX 2063 last group meeting. From the previous group discussion, our group chose handphone as the best gadget among other gadgets. From my point of view, why I choose handphone is the handphone make it convenient for people to surf the web. These devices are integrated with mobile browsers that enable them to research and access websites anytime and anywhere. According to a study, 10% of the total time spent by people on smartphone is using in opening browsers to surf the internet. With this, people have easy access to information. The example of web browsers are Google Chrome, Safari, and Google App. Nowadays, it is the easiest way to get any of the information that we need. Within a second, we can get the information by fully in internet using phone. So from this, we don't have a chance to say, I don't know about it. Okay, the second thing is, in the selfie generation, the camera is so important. It saves people from buying a separate digital camera to take photos and also videos, especially now that the millionaires are fond of posting photos in a social media. According to a 2014 Comtech study, the camera ranked third as the most important consideration for consumers in buying a smartphone. With this, smartphone giants make sure their smartphones are equipped with the best camera. Camera is one of the most important feature in phone that consumers is approaching. If the camera quality is not that much good, the consumers refuse to choose the brand. Even some of the short films and video songs shot in smartphone camera nowadays due to the good camera quality. For an example, in US, the whole 30 minutes short film was shot in iPhone camera during lockdown time. It shows that the camera is more important nowadays in phones. These are the reasons why I choose handphone as my best choice among other gadgets, and handphone is a must gadget for current situation. That's all from me. Thank you.
So, good evening to everyone. My name is Vishani Segar and my metric number is B10872. So, the reason why I chose Android is there is three benefit, the main benefit, which is notes and reminders. Whether it's a shopping list, an important password, or complicated set of instructions that would be difficult to memorize, mobile phones are a great way to carry notes and reminders. These don't always have to take the form of text or numbers either. You can also use photos, audio, or video to record important information for later use. The other benefit is calendars and organization. Mobile phones are great devices for organization, and their calendars are an excellent way to manage a busy schedule. Your phone will alert you when you have doctor's appointment, it's a loved one's birthday, or simply help you to organize your daily work tasks and personal schedule. Last but not least, maps, navigation, and travel also the beneficial thing which includes in iPhone. Finding our way around has never been easier since phones started using GPS to direct us to our destinations. Whether driving, cycling, or walking, we can get live updates on our location, roadworks, accidents, and other causes of slow moving traffic, plus information on nearby facilities such as restaurants, gas stations, and hotels. When traveling by plane or train, you can use your phone to explore timetables, purchase and display your ticket. So there is many benefits which is useful to human, which can helpful and also beneficial that handphones give. This is the main reason why I choose handphone. Thank you.
Okay, the reason why I choose smartphone is because instant communication. Smartphone has elevated from the earliest communication device. The smartphone has modernized communication. It has paved the way to SMS, text messaging, call, video chat, and apps that allow people to instantly communicate with anyone from anywhere. Friends and family are just one message away. If you have an emergency, then you can text someone and ask for help. The smartphone helps to close the distance among people. For this current situation for COVID-19 have made everyone to stay at home, and for those who are working far from their family members and their loved one. This gadget have made easy job for everyone. For example, like long distance relationship and also moreover. Okay, the second point why I choose the smartphone is productivity apps. Smartphone can also do almost everything with the help of apps. There are over 2 million apps in Google Play Store, while over 1.5 million apps in Apple Play Store. The various functionalities of apps make these features so convenient. For example, you can now do banking from your app. There are numerous productivity apps available to save a good idea when inspiration triggers, organization meeting notes, and the list goes on. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Kaitra Devi Anapuma Rajasingam and my matrix number is B10864. Okay. Cell phones are a way to stop boredom. Many of today's cell phones have enough memory and storage available where mobile gaming becomes a possibility. 42% of owners say that they use their device to play games or perform activities because it helps them to cure boredom. One of the most common places where people use their phones is in the bathroom, where up to 75% of people say that they use it to check Facebook or other social media sites, play a game, or even read their email. Let's not forget about the fact that cell phones are still useful for their talk and text capabilities as well. You can call your best friend to chat or swap messages has a way to cure your boredom too. Even 30% of users say that they will answer the phone when they're using the bathroom. In addition, the modern smartphone can store hundreds of pictures so that they can keep track of all the family memories that happens throughout the year. If you have access to the cloud storage program, you can take unlimited photos and videos with your device. Many smartphones can provide you with a calendar app or scheduler so that you can always know where you need to be during the day. Last but not least, as long as you have your mobile phone, there's no reason to get bored. There is a multitude of games to download and play. You can read an online article or get involved with social media to pass the time. Smartphone allows video watching as well as listening to radio, podcast, or music. Plus, if you attend a real life event, you can often store your ticket on your phone to display at the door. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Akalya Velasamy, basic number B10866. So, smartphones are types of mobile phones with multi-purpose and competing with many features like high hardware and operating system, software, internet, and multimedia functionality with a basic phone function and many more upgrade versions. So, long gone the days when students would only get knowledge from teachers, parents, and books. So, today, the sources of knowledge has diversified, and one of the very sources in the internet. So having a mobile phone on their person all the time can help students check out things in a more fun way than going to books all the time. So a person connected to the internet can motivate the students to do his or her studies as all the time. So they can know that they can access the world's biggest library, right? Where to read. So if there is any doubt in the mind about something that the teacher was teaching, the students can clear the doubt immediately. And then there are so many learning applications in the app store for students at all levels in school. So this means that a student can get help from apps as for subjects in which they lack in some areas. So most of these apps are free of charge, or you may be a pay small one of fee for downloading. So there is an app for every subject today. So there are versatile apps as well. So for say for an example, Top Online Learning app is one of the used and most popular apps in the world. So students can have the best Android homework app on their Android handphone. So as it has been discussed, mobile phones give us the benefits of the communication easily. So engaging in a creative work through simple applications be safer and to access the internet with a press of button. So who knows what more advantage the mobile phone will emerge in the near future. So that's all from us. Thank you.
Kavitaka.
Hello, Dana. You.